Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, 8 speakers, center armrest, passenger airbag, bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.